Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Hello students, good afternoon. This is your GK topic, Standard 5. Children, the first topic you can see on the slides, things on my chemistry lab. Now when you will go in a higher standard, you will be going in the science lab. You will be seeing different kind of lab. That is one among them will be chemistry lab. In that you will be seeing different kind of things in the lab. Let us see what those things are called. This produces a gas flame for laboratory experiments. It is none other than Bunyan burner. It is one type of burner which is used in the science lab. This is second one. This is used to hold liquids and prepare solutions. It is called beaker. The things in which the solutions are being made, that instruments are called beaker. Then third, this is used to feed liquids into small openings. It is called funnel. Okay, the things we have to put from one beaker to other, we use one kind of thing that is called funnel. This is made of special glass that can be safely heated to high temperature. It is test tube. We want to keep some liquid in anything, we use some instrument called test tube. This is used to measure liquids for laboratory experiment. So the next is, the answer is measuring cylinder. So children, this all the things we use in the chemistry lab. So it is for your understanding and to know that what things we can use in chemistry lab. This all the things I told you just now. Let us see the next slide, the next topic. So children, the topic name is language of music. Now when you're learning music, you should know certain language. So among that, we're going to see different kind of language, what names are given to them. Now one by one we'll see. A live musical performance given in public is called concert. Okay, like example, when you have in your school some annual function and thing, your parents are coming to see, so they are seeing live performance of yours when you are taking part in that. So that is called concert. Now second thing, it tells us the place at which a section of music is played. Okay, the pace at which a section of music is played. So the answer is tempo. Like example, some music are played together and that pace is called tempo. Then next third one, a dramatic and theatrical work that combines text and music. So that is none other than opera. And children, this kind of thing, opera, we get to see mostly in foreign countries where drama also is going on, and with drama there's some music also is going on. So that is called opera. The fourth one, a group of musicians together playing instruments from all four families, that is brass, percussion, strings and woodwinds. So that answer is orchestra. Now you must have seen, like especially when Garba is going on, and so you must have seen so many musicians are playing different kind of music instrument together. So that is also called orchestra. The fifth one, the lowest range of musical notes is bass. Okay, so in music language we have different kind of notes. So the lowest range is called bass. So this was about the language of music, which even you should know when you are learning music. Okay, now let's see in the next slide what topic we are going to do. Children, the topic biopics on famous people, that shows that some people, on some of the greatest people, they have been made a movie on them. So we can see the pictures of them and then we can see which movie is being made on them and what is the other name given for them. So the first picture we can see is Milkha Singh, and he was an Indian athlete who was also known as Flying Singh. and the movie made is Bhag Milkha Bhag, and in that movie the famous actor Farhan Akhtar have been acted. The second picture we can see Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was one of the greatest freedom fighters and also known as Iron Man of India, and the movie made on him was Sardar. And third, he was a brilliant scientist who was differently able and used speech generating device to communicate, and the movie made on him was The Theory of Everything. And the picture we can see is Stephen Hawking. He was disabled children. He was not able to stand, or he was not able to move, but still he had made us such a great, he was such a great scientist. The next picture we can see was Abraham Lincoln. He was president of America who abolished slavery in his country. Okay, and he was the first president of America, and the movie made was Lincoln. Again, he was a very famous person who used to help all the people in country against slavery also and other things also. The topic famous sculptures, children. The famous sculpture. There's a meaning of sculpture. Is a figure made from materials such as wood, clay or stone, and sculptures are usually made as a tribute to something or someone famous. Like example, if we want to keep in the remembrance to the particular person, and we try to make their sculpture from the materials as wood, clay or stone for remembrance. So let us see, there were so many different sculptures made in our country and outside our country. Let us see one by one. This is a marble sculpture made by Michelangelo and kept in Italy. The answer is David. Now the Michelangelo was a famous sculptor who used to make very beautiful sculptures of stone. This is a huge statue at the peak of Mount Corcovado in Brazil, and the answer is Christ the Redeemer. Now you must be thinking Christ the Redeemer means, like example, I had told you the Christian God name is Jesus Christ. So this what is his sculpture is made up of the Jesus Christ, where he is removing his hand and putting front of everybody, and that shows that Christ the Redeemer. And this is also one kind of sculpture, okay, made on peak of Mount Corcovado in Brazil. Now third, this is a painted bust of an ancient Egyptian queen. It is kept in a museum in Germany. It is none other but bust of Nefertiti. It is the name of that figure has been as bust of Nefertiti, but where it is being kept in the museum in Germany, and it is of an Egyptian queen. These are more than 6,000 life-size figures of soldiers and horses found in China. Now these also are sculpture only, children. Now you must be thinking what had happened over there. The answer is Terracotta Army. In China, there was one place where so many, such a big army was there, like of 6,000 figures of soldiers and horses were there. They all were being killed. So in remembrance of them, they are made a statues over there. That is place is called Terracotta Army. If you go in China now also, we get to see that. So this was about the famous sculpture, students. Thank you, students.